Hello YouTube, this is North back again talking about fragrances. Today I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Andy Tower L'Air du Desert Marocain number 2. Alright, so I was very excited to get this. If you don't know, I live here in Kuwait. I've been here for a few years, and none of the places could I find this. I couldn't find it at any of the retailers, Harvey Nichols, Bloomingdale's, Debenhams. No one had this, and none of the discounters that I shop with here at the souks. Sometimes they will have some niche fragrances that you cannot even find at the retail places, but nobody had this. But I did find it on Amazon. Had it shipped to my address in the US, and then it was shipped here. So as you see, you have this sleeve, blue sleeve, cardboard sleeve that it comes in. It says Immersive Sculptures. On the back, it has an open box, right? And then it has this paper in here. So when you take it out of the sleeve, right, you have the tin, and this is the shape of the bottle that will be inside. You slide it open. On the back, there's this, it's not a metal bag. Well, it is a metal. No, it isn't. This whole thing is paper. Like, you can take this out. And as you see, this is a Eau de Toilette Intense, whatever intense means. All right. So it's not an Eau de Parfum. It's 50 mil. I was, again, very excited to get this. Again, the name is on the side. And then when you slide it open like this. Okay. Then you have a card inside. Card inside says the same thing that it says on the back, handmade in Switzerland. Has the concentration, has the name. And then on the back, you will see a handwritten enjoy from Andy Tower. Now this looks like actual handwriting. It doesn't look like a stamp. So that's actually pretty cool. I wonder if he really signed this. If so, that's really awesome. All right, now as you see, here's the perfume. All right, this is a 50 ml bottle. All right, on the top it has Tower. Okay, on the side it has L'Air du Desert Marocain. All right, and that's pretty much it with the presentation. It's a really small, neat bottle. All right, it's really unique. I really like it. You know, so many of the reviewers were especially raving about this one, so I had to check it out. It does have a little bit of incense in it, but it's mostly an amber fragrance. All right, so again, I'll waste a couple sprays just to see how the atomizer works. Atomizer is okay, right? It's not the best, but it's definitely pretty good, all right? And then I can smell the amber all the way from here. This is good. So this scent is supposed to be reminiscent of the deserts in Morocco. I've never been to Morocco. Hopefully I can go one day. But I have lived in Tunisia, and their cultures are pretty much the same. The mosques look the same. Their cultural dishes are the same. And they both speak French. So there you have it. Again, Andy Tower, L'Air du Desert Marocain. This is just my unboxing. Hopefully I'll come with a full review in the future. I have a lot of fragrances to get to. Do me a favor, please hit the subscribe button so that you can see some of my future uploads, and hit the bell so that you can receive the notifications. I do appreciate your time. North out.